Mr. Redefined Clothing Business Talk. Your income is not your gain. As a growing fashion designer, making 100,000 in income doesn't mean you've made a gain. Let me explain. You're still building your brand. You still need industrial sewing machines, electric fabric cutter, a strong cutting table, quality mannequins, proper lighting, a good phone, and a complete office, a shop makeover. So if you're busy spending your so-called gain, where will the capital for all these come from? A loan, no. Borrow from friends? Hell no. The truth is, you must sacrifice your income and reinvest it back into your business at least for the first few years. That's the only way to grow something solid. Let me ask you this. If you take 500,000 out of your shop today, will the business still stand strong? If your answer is no, then you're still in the building phase. Never be in a rush to harvest before it's time. Build first, sacrifice now, reap later.
I grab my sketch and make the line. Patterns flow like vintage wine. Dress in colors bold, refined. With fashion art I'm intertwined. From the canvas to the screen, styling dreams like you've never seen. Textures blend in harmony, creating fashion symphony. Hey there, folks, don't be shy. Hit that like, subscribe, apply. Comment down if you feel fly. Mr. Redefined is standing by. Outfits popping in daylight, mixing shades to feel just right. Drawing styles